everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this B&W classic glam look. So if you guys want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. For this look, I'm using all eyeshadows by Motives Cosmetics, and first of all, I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow called Cappuccino with my Sigma Beauty E40 blending brush. It's a nice cool toned brown with a hint of grey in it, and I'm going to use it as my transition shadow. I'm going to start by blending this eyeshadow above my crease using a combination of windshield wiper motions and swiveling motions. I'm actually going to concentrate this eyeshadow towards the outer corner more, but I am going to bring it all the way towards the inner corner of my eye also. Next, with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush A25, I'm going to dip into this matte grey eyeshadow called a Caviar. And now, mainly using swiveling motions, I'm going to blend this eyeshadow into my crease. I also want this eyeshadow to be evenly blended from the inner corner to the outer corner. I don't want either of these two to be darker or lighter than the other. And now with my Morphe M507 brush, I'm going to take this matte black eyeshadow called a Blackout. Now, since I want this eyeshadow to stay very low and very precise into my crease, I will apply it without actually lifting my brush to blend. I'm going to press down my brush and then just swivel it with its tip still touching my eyelid. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. And now, just to trace the shape of my eye, I'm going to blend this eyeshadow on the outer corner of my lower lash line and also extend it towards my brow bone to create a cat eye kind of an effect. And now I'm going to cut the crease using my Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color in Honey. You can do so using any concealer or eyeshadow primer or base that you have with a flat brush. Next, I'm going to take this shimmery grey eyeshadow called Steel with an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye and blend it with the black eyeshadow that I previously used. Next, I'm going to pick up this extremely beautiful shimmery silver eyeshadow called Platinum with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow right in the center of my eye, but I'm also going to blend it towards the outer corner where I previously used the steel eyeshadow. I haven't used such a beautiful silver eyeshadow in such a long time. And now I'm going to take this matte creamy white eyeshadow called Cream Fresh with the same flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this matte eyeshadow on the inner corner of my lid. I really wanted the silver eyeshadow that I previously applied to stand out and pop, which is why I'm using a matte eyeshadow here. Now with my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to blend the matte grey eyeshadow along my lower lash line. And next, with a small angled brush, I'm applying the black eyeshadow as close to my waterline as possible. Next, with a pencil brush, I'm going to take this shimmery white eyeshadow called Pearl, and I'm going to use it to highlight the inner corner of my eye and also my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take Motives Cosmetics Little Black Dress Gel Eyeliner and apply it with a Sigma Beauty E10 liner brush. And since basically there's nothing here for me to explain to you guys, you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take a moment here to let you guys know it was very hard filming this. So glad that it's over, and now moving on, I'm using Motives Cosmetics Fiber Lush Mascara. For lashes today, I'm using Flutter Lashes Intoxicating Lashes, which in my opinion are one of the most beautiful eyelashes ever created. And I completely skipped filming the part where I put my lashes on, so basically we are now done. And I hope you guys liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love hearing from you guys, so let me know what you think of this look in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.